in a room draped in blue. I am thinking of you. I am tired and I can't sleep, and for you I will be. In a flash you are gone, yet around me life is calm. I cannot understand, is this part of the plan? I get cards with bouquets, but they can't take your place. And I have dreams about us, but I always wake up and I can ask all I please. I can beg down on my knees for a reason, for a sign, but these answers I won't find. Oh, can you hear me? Can't you tell me why? I'll go on without you, and what's left for me to do but to stay here where I am, in my world of pretend. Yeah, I won't know until I die if my faith was but a lie. Till then you hear it in my cry. I didn't want to say goodbye to you. I didn't want to say goodbye.